Fighting amongst ourselves has never really been my kind of thing.
But since we're fighting Mobius, we can go all out and give them both barrels.
It's about time. I've been waiting for the big showdown forever. Of course you came. All right, all you jackasses. The Tokyo Maji gang is here now.
So who wants to die first?
Hey! You're the one I want to kill.
Looks like the party's about to get started now.
Shit. I have no idea how many people are here now.
So we're getting a big-ass brawl on the day of the festival. I can feel my blood pumping already. You ready to rock and roll, Mikey?
Oh, you know it, Kenny.
Draken! Please don't die.
Let's go! Kill 'em all!
Shit! It's starting for real now. But somehow I still have to protect Draken. Where are you, Draken? You bastard!
Who else wants to take a little trip?
Draken! Draken!
What the hell are you doing just wandering around?